Alright, are we ready? So you tell me, how difficult is this question on the scale of 1 to 10? A reaction produces 18 moles of product according to the balanced equation. 3A plus 2B to give 6C. 18 moles of the product. That's C, right? C is the product, yeah. If A is the limiting reactant, how many moles of B reacted? Now, if you've been following from question number 1 down to 10, you would recall that we have stressed the fact that it's good to work with your limiting reactant, right? Use your limiting reactant whenever you're doing proportion, except if the question says otherwise, which it will not actually. So limiting reactant. So let's do this. We're going to compare our product here with the limiting reactant A. 3A gives us 6C. So if we have 18 here for any reason, it just means that we must have used a particular amount X. And how do we do that? 18 multiplied by the one across divided by the one at the back. That means our X is 18 times 3 divided by 6. Alright, real quick, that gives us 9, right? So we have 9 moles. So it means that 9 moles of A reacted with some amount of B, and then that produced 6 moles of C for you. Okay, so now we know it's 9 moles of A. What else? How many moles of B reacted? Alright, so from the same balanced equation, we see that 3 moles of A would react with 2 moles of B to form 6 moles of C. So if 3 of A reacts with 2 of B, this is the react here to differentiate. 3 moles of A reacts with 2 moles of B, right? So it means that if I had 9 moles of A, just like this, 9 moles of A, then it's going to react with Y. 9 times 2 divided by the one at the back, 9 times 2 divided by 3, and that gives us 6 moles of B as well. So that's our answer actually, 6 moles of B. So we just went through the long process, by the way. Again, if you bring out the same equation, let me show you something here before you go. The same equation here, right? This same thing. This same equation. We see that 18 moles of C is produced, right? And you're asked how many moles of B reacted. If you had just played with it this way from the beginning, right? 2 of B giving us 6 of C. Then 18 of this would give us X. So we can use the proportion that way as well. Again, it's to be 18 times 2 divided by 6, and the X becomes 18 times 2 over 6. What does this one give us? What does this give us? And that's 6. 6 moles of B. So this is like a quicker way for you to do it. Same answer. Because it's maths, right? The maths will always be correct provided you do, the maths, following the maths rules. Alright, and this has just been proportion in maths, but we're bringing it to chemistry. So yeah, chemistry and math students, let me know what you think about this in the comments. Alright, I'll see you on question 11. Take care and bye-bye.